Okay, this is a repeat purchase for me personally, but the first time I am talking to you guys about this. These are a brand new set of slides for me, which are replacing my old set of slides. Look at that. They are a size 11. They don't come in half sizes. I am really a 10.5, and I find the 11 definitely works better for me. I don't like the little bit tight on your slides. Slides should be super loose and comfy. Let's throw them on, make sure they are true to size. The same as the ones that I'm taking off my feet. Oh, they are. They feel so good, so fresh, so new, so not worn out. Okay, here's the answer. I've worn these for about a year now, my last set, and I just got myself this brand new set, and they are perfect. They are comfortable. They have worn well. I wore them really Southern Florida here, wear them pretty much every day, and they are still in great condition, comfortable. I just bought them again. So in any case, these are really good. If you're looking for a great set of slides, go for these.